Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the Data Analyst GPT within ChatGPT and some of the key features it has that can make you more efficient in your work responsibilities. At the end of this episode, you should have a better understanding of Data Analyzer and how you can utilize it to make data manipulation and visualizing in Excel easier. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to click on Explore GPTs and scroll down to Data Analyst. Let's open this chat and get started. For this episode, we're going to use a global superstore dataset, but before analyzing this data, let me show you what this data consists of so you have a better understanding of what we're working with. As you can see, we have about 51,000 lines of data that consist of columns with dates, sales, product names, etc. Okay, so now you've seen what we're working with, we'll go ahead and drag this file into the Data Analyst chat. For our first example, I will show you this GPT's ability to operate on its own and find you key insights within a dataset by itself. So I'll prompt it to create 3 different graphs that will help me understand this data better. Let's give it a moment as it reads through all the lines. And there you have it. As you can see, it created 3 different graphs that can be used to visualize the data with explanations. So we could take a look at what it made, and the first one is sales by category, followed by profit by country, and lastly monthly sales trends, all with explanations. The crazy part about it is I only told it to create 3, so it really can make so many more with this data, which allows an employee to choose what they think is important without having to create themselves and waste time. For our second example, let's take it up a notch and be more detailed this time. So in the case scenario that I know the exact metrics I want to analyze, I can prompt this GPT to visualize those specific columns. So I'll prompt the chat to create a bar chart that shows me sales by order priority. As you can see, it analyzes it very quickly and is able to create the bar chart for us in no time. It is also very user-friendly as you can add or delete metrics in the chart as you go if you think your visualization should encompass more. For example, I can prompt it to add profit to this chart, and as you can see, it quickly adds the new data with ease and updates the visualization with a new explanation. This GPT is really cool and can help many analysts with their day-to-day roles when having to analyze thousands of lines of Excel data and create visuals for reporting. It saves so much time with its ability to do its own analysis and judgment to decide what is important to see within a dataset. There are a lot more things you can do with this tool, but we hope this gave you a general understanding of some of its capabilities and how it can truly help many companies. Before we go, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.